And then?
一緒に朝ごはんでもどうですか？で
Breakfast. Bless you! Is that the first sneeze today? Yeah. Hi! How is it tense?